So I have slime, and if you can't tell with my hair, and I have slime and it's so sticky. So guys, welcome back to my video, and so sticky slime. Yeah, I got this from my friend, and she was so kind to let me know that she has slime. No, mind not music, guys. It's just my sister. And as you can see, I have my braid. It's because it was braided yesterday, and because I have some sunburns. It was because I went to the beach yesterday, and someone braided my hair for just 30 pesos. Oh, it looks. So I'm gonna let you hear some of the pokings and so this is slime from my friend. It's so stretchy. It's a little fluffy. Hopefully it's fluffy somewhere. No, exactly no. Probably stretchy or fluffy slime. Or probably crunchy. I mean, it's not crunchy, so it is not crunchy. Okay, so bye guys, and see you next time. And I am so happy that I had this video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and follow me on TikTok. Thank you. Bye.